This example uses analysis of a full year of actual belt scale measured results from an operating quarry to evaluate the effect of small changes in performance on variable cost and potential profit. For example, if you follow the cursor, you will see annual percent runtime was 75.4%. Runtime represents the percentage of hours operated compared to hours scheduled to operate over the course of the year. You will see on the far right that increasing runtime by as little as 1% to 76.4% achieves the same tons of sellable production with 37 less scheduled hours. At a variable cost of $2,500 per scheduled hour, a 1% improvement would have added potential profit of over $92,000. If we increase the runtime by 5% to 80%, the same sellable tons would have been produced in 176 less scheduled hours, resulting in potential added profit of over $400,000 at the example quarry. Applying the same logic on the production rate, you will see an average of 560 tons per scheduled hour for the year, and 743 tons per operated hour. This plant has the measured capability to operate continuously at over 900 tons per hour, if the pit is operated to maintain adequate surge material. Increasing the rate per operated hour by 10%, increases the annual rate to 817 tons per operated hour. Well below measured plant capability. With this, the same sellable production would have been achieved in 257 less scheduled hours, providing potential added value of over $643,000. A 5% change results in over $337,000 less cost. Even a 1% change results in over $70,000 less cost to produce the same tons of sellable product. Another thing that is easily analyzed, using belt scale data to identify potential for achievable improvement, is the relationship in yield and rate of production of key products versus byproducts. The actual for this year at the example quarry was 507,000 tons of key product versus 410,000 tons of byproduct, or 32% versus 25.9%. If the yield of key product was improved by just 5%, the tons of sellable product would have been produced in 382 less hours, providing potential added profit of over $956,000. Even just 1% improvement would have added $214,000 in potential profit, simply by utilizing belt scale data to adjust key process variables to reduce unnecessary production of byproducts. Small changes, even as little as 1%, on each of the example variables, results in potential added profit of over $377,000 with 151 hours less scheduled hours. Practical knowledge, derived from analysis of belt scale provided performance history, indicates potential for a minimum of 5% improvement on each of the example variables, resulting in achievable change in annual scheduled hours from 2,831 to 2,138 scheduled hours, a reduction of 693 hours. With this, variable cost would have dropped from over $7.1 million to $5.3 million, with potential added profit exceeding $1,700,000, just by making small changes visualized as possible within the belt scale data.